In Hedge, risk reporting is designed to give you a clear, high-level view of your risks, so you can track trends, monitor status, and identify areas that need attention, all in one place. Open a risk register and click the Report tab to access your risk reports. If your register includes multiple risk calculations, you can switch between them at the top to view reports tailored to each framework. This is helpful when your register uses multiple scoring frameworks, so you can view reports specific to each perspective. You'll see a variety of visualizations. The risk matrix will help you identify the risks associated with a project and how to address them. The risk levels pie chart is used to evaluate the percentage of risks falling into each risk level. With the risk statuses column chart, you can see your risks broken down by the status category. With the risk raised over time report, you can track what risks were identified and at what point in time. To quickly access the risks of each report category, click any part of a report, like a bar in the column chart or a slice in the pie chart. This will open a list of work items in the Jira Navigator. Additionally, you can use filters to narrow down results in reports. Hedge provides powerful, real-time reporting tools that help you visualize and understand your risks.